All right, everybody, we are doing an unboxing of a Diamondxpres diamond painting. I'm Paul, and we're going to find out what is in this package. I believe this is a subscription I sent away from Diamondxpres. And we're going to find out what it is. I mean, I know what it is, but we will reveal it to the viewers here on this video. Should be a 20 by 25 square. All right. No, it is not a subscription. It is a diamond painting that I ordered. All right, because it looks like our cat. Here it is right there. Here are the diamonds. And here are the tools. So let's go ahead and open up the canvas first, because that's always the most exciting part, is opening up the canvas. I'm just gonna cut it a little bit right here. A little music in the background. Try and make the video more exciting and entertaining. You will see. Boy, that is crinkly. This is a 30 by 30. When did I order this? Who did I order this from? Okay, now this is cracking me up, guys, because this came in the mail today. And why does this not look like, this does not look like a Diamondxpres diamond painting video, other than the fact that it's one of our old designs. Very interesting. Very interested to see what this is. What? Paint with diamonds. All right. This is a paint with diamonds, 30 by 30. Am I just now getting this in the mail today? I do live in Hawaii. We're going to keep the video going. I thought this was one here. So this is, let's just take a look at the canvas. This is a paint with diamonds. Canvas looks pretty good. I mean, there's a crinkle in here, or bubble. I guess I ordered this from them a while ago, back in December. I'm going to have to put all the dates and stuff down in the comments to let you guys know what I paid on this. I do remember ordering from Paint with Diamonds. I couldn't remember the design. So we're going to look at the entire canvas here. Getting old is horrible. So it is a 30 by 30 square. Okay, it's very thick. It's a very thick canvas, which is really nice. I'm gonna say that. That is nice. The canvas looks good. It's very sticky. Very sticky. It looks like it's double-sided tape. Let's look at the symbols here. So the symbols, hopefully you guys can see that. The symbols are some weird symbols. They don't do the alphabets. And there's a lot of blue in this one, but that's not their fault. So it's got quantity. I'm not a big fan of the symbols, to be honest with you. Paint with Diamonds is huge. I mean, I'm not saying anything bad about them. They just have different symbols. We use the alphabet numbers. I'll show you the symbols on the canvas right there. You guys can decide for yourself whether or not you like those type of symbols or not. They're clear. There's no blurriness. There's no creases or bubbles on the canvas. And this canvas is very thick and durable. And they have 35 colors for a 30 by 30. And they've got a good thumbnail. So I give that a thumbs up. All the way around. The toolkit looks a lot like our toolkit. 3-placer, multi-placers, a tray. Let's see what we have here. Same type of tweezers. Looks like pretty sturdy tools here. That's your multi-placer, a couple waxes, the grip, the pen. They've got a single placer, looks like a 3 or 4 or 5 placer on the back. So good tools. A little dust in the tray, but that's okay. All right. Let's see what the diamonds look like. And I like how they come. They look a lot like ours. They're in these small bags. Same type of paper. Let's pull out some of the diamonds. You guys can take a look at them. Make your own decision on how clear these are. I'll bring up 3 different colors, and we'll put them on this background right here. And we'll look at these very close together. The diamonds look pretty good, pretty uniform. I don't see many hollow backs. So diamonds look good. Let's do a quick poor man's inventory here. We should have 35 colors, so we should have 35 bags. Okay, and we'll do an inventory that way. Oh, I left out a wax out of the bag. Let me move that in over here. And I'll just count these out very quickly. I'll do it on the video. We'll just throw them up here when we're done. 5, 7, 10, 12, 14, 18, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 35. Okay, so all the diamonds are here. Good tools, good canvas. I will put the price and the shipping information in the notes so you guys can judge for yourself. For the canvas is very thick canvas. It does not have the felt backing, but as you can see, it's pretty smooth. I don't know what that is, but it's very smooth. The only drawback for me are the symbols. I would like more of a Western type symbols with A, B, C, D in numbers and whatnot. But 35 colors, that's good. 30 by 30 square, good design. 2 thumbs up. Thank you very much.